Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this, and I cropped out the other parts of the logo. He didn't want them to be all over the internet, and asked how you could draw this. And I don't know if he needs to match those colors or not, but we're going to start with an ellipse. I'm going to make it quite a bit bigger. I'm going to make this thing like 10 inches. Well, lock your ratio. Then you only have to do it once. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. And I'm going to start, they're almost flat. They taper off a little bit. I'm going to try drawing an oval. And then Control D and make another one. Holding down the control button and just move it up a little bit. I think that's about right. Take your Smart Fill tool, fill that in and nudge it out of the way. Now, do not get rid of your circle, but get rid of your ellipses. Now, I don't know what that is. That's probably the widest point of the circle. But we need to make this a little bit wider, so we're going to take and just stretch it out a little bit. And then we're going to hit P. Let's put them both in the center of the page. Let's bring this in a little closer. Now, there are 6 of them, so we're going to move this to the very top. Control D and make a duplicate and move it to the kind of the bottom. Now, shift select both of those, so you have 2 objects selected. Go up to Effects and Blend. This is about the only way to get it perfect. Let's blend, how many did I say there was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to blend it 5 times. And there basically you have it. I think, it's a little bit wider. Well, maybe it'll look that way. Now, we really don't have to break the blend apart in this case, but we need to break this line separation line. That's basically a corner. I'm going to hit a square. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees, and I'm going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button to get it perpendicular, and then move it in, kind of making an arrow shape. So we have that arrow look. Let's see if it's big enough. Maybe too big, so we can squinch it up a little bit. Now, to make it work and make it have some separation, we need to convert that to a 10-point line, let's say. And he can make his own decision on the thickness of that. Go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. That's the whole key. Now, if we look, these things kind of go down a straight line. And if I brought the picture in closer and made it a little bit bigger, you could probably lay it on top, but it looks like it's just a straight line. And I'm going to put, let's zoom in here. And this is where you could say that maybe your thing is too big. Might be a little bit wide. And then we're going to put another one. I'm going to hit the plus key and put it like right there. Now, it's a shame that it won't really blend, I don't think. We can try it. Hey, get the shape tool, the shift tool, select them both and blend that. See there, it does blend them in the right order. And it doesn't look, maybe after I'm through it'll look better. But it did pretty close to the centers. I'm going to go with that. Now, the reason I converted it to an object is so when I put in the Smart Fill tool, it'll work My nudge factor still set on 20. That's good enough. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. Let's use a light blue. And I'm just going to nudge this out of the way. Wow, pretty far. Now, I think he wants those same colors. So for right now, we're just going to use a darker blue. Well, don't really have anything. I'm just trying to get the shape right this second. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. And let's put this, whoop. Must have some missing hidden stuff from before. Let's say he needs the same colors. Now his has a little bit more of an arch than I do. But you know, I'm just giving him some ideas. Let's try shift selecting all these together. And then get the I think we can use a color eyedropper tool and take that sample. No, well, we'll have to do them individually. And you know, that does not look like the same color. We won't really be able to tell till we put a black background on it. Well, that's not a black background, that's just a box. Object order, back a page. Now, that's pretty close. You know, when it's fuzzy, it's just hard to say. But I definitely don't think the other one. Now, here's a good little trick. Hold down the Alt key and just wipe through here. And you've selected all those. I'm going to go ahead and group these together and see if we don't want, the color eyedropper tool won't change all these. Nope, it's only going to do them individually. Kind of a bluish green. We'll know more when we put the black. Now, I wish I would have realized there's more of an arch on his than mine. But I'm just showing him how to do it, not actually doing it for him or them. That's pretty close. My lines are a little thicker. You know, if I had it to do over again, I would almost copy this, you know, take a 3-point curve line and you could basically trace it and kind of get that arch. Whoop, almost had the 2-point line. Get your 3-point curve line. Go from the, see, there's no nodes because this is a picture. And then go here. And you get my idea. Anyway, I hope that at least gave him some ideas, and thank you for watching.